Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into the amazing world of horseback riding? Whether you're just thinking about saddling up for the first time or you've had a few rides already, Nautical Outdoors is here to guide you through the do's and don'ts to make your experience as awesome as possible. First off, let's talk posture. I can't stress enough how important it is to sit up straight. Imagine there's a string pulling you up from the top of your head. This isn't just about looking good, it helps you balance and communicate better with your horse. Now, onto the reins. Hold them like ice cream cones, not too tight, not too loose. You don't want to be pulling too hard on your horse's mouth. It's all about gentle yet firm guidance. Moving on to the don'ts. Never approach a horse from behind. Horses have blind spots and you don't want to startle them. Always approach from the side and let them see and hear you as you come closer. And here's a rookie mistake to avoid. Don't grip with your knees. This might feel safer, but it actually makes you more likely to bounce around in the saddle. Keep your legs relaxed, but firm. All right, let's talk about rhythm. Riding is like dancing. You have to move with the horse, not against it. Feel the rhythm of its movements and try to sync up by gently swaying with the beat. This connection makes all the difference. Lastly, confidence is key. Horses can pick up on how you're feeling, so bring some positive vibes. Trust me, it makes your ride smoother and a lot more fun. Remember, every rider started as a beginner, and every expert was once in your shoes. Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and most importantly, enjoy the journey with your new four-legged friend. That's it for today. Stick to these tips, steer clear of the common mistakes, and you'll be on your way to mastering horseback riding. Happy trails until we meet again.